Everybody on YouTube, this is Peace 3000 and what are you? Hey, my little cousin Jay, say something. I said say something. Well, anyway, yeah, me and him just bored and all. So yeah, watching TV. It's raining outside. Can't go outside. Can't play basketball today. Nothing. Might as well. Oh. Can't make a video. Right.
No point is at me, man.
Well, I just need to tell everybody here to subscribe to my channel. I know I ain't put much up yet, but sooner or later I will, and like I need everybody to comment on my videos if you actually say something. But
You
like
suck.
shut up, man. It's like my third video on YouTube. Yeah. Hopefully, if anybody out there can count, they can see that. But we just like got off of Xbox Live because it got kind of boring and stuff. So yeah, I got mad. Hey, didn't we? Yeah, we saw something on Xbox Live. Like we was playing Gears of War 2, and all of a sudden there was people on the other team that looked exactly like us. Remember that, right? That was scary. Like, yeah. I am pretty much done. Goodbye. You see that guy?
Doses.
Deuces. See what caffeine do for you, right? That's it.